Hi guys, this is JTS again. So today we just got the Ring camera installation kit arrived, and I just want to show it to you. And here it is. Make sure you turn up the power breaker of your doorbells, okay, before you start anything else. The Ring Pro Power Kit here. What I'm looking for is the transformer and in the front. Those are two wires. What you do is just unscrew it and then plug this in underneath it. So this is what I'm going to do. You just want to loosen a little bit. Just like that. And now we're going to go outside and work on the doorbells. I'm outside my house here now. I'm going to start unscrew the doorbell and connect the wire. You unscrew this. So now our house is protected by rings. I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Make sure you subscribe for more projects ahead. Thanks guys.